What I'd like to do in this video is show you how to recover an administrator password. Say you forgot your Active Directory administrator's password, or maybe somebody being not real nice to the company decided to set some really strange password, shut the system down, log out, whatever else, walk out without any other administrative users. That's a circumstance that actually could happen to you. What we have in this thing, if we'll go over here and if you click down here, ease of access, opens an ease of access window. This actually is a program called Utilman, which is running with System Authority. What we're going to do is leverage this thing in order to be able to reset the password from the command prompt. First thing I want to do is get in here and log in and set the administrator's password to something, and I'll just pick some random characters to do that. And you notice we are in a domain, and I called it PW loss, so that password loss, so that we could try this out. So hopefully in a few seconds we'll be into the system as it's preparing my desktop. So I should be able to go to Administrative Tools, Users and Computers, and find my user administrator, and reset his password to, and I'll just pick some random characters. Now I got to make it the same. I don't think I can do that. Well, let's pick some maybe not so random characters. I'll know what it is, so you just have to trust me when we do that. So we have reset the user's password has been changed. What I want to do now is I want to restart the system and boot it to the install media, which is already set up. This is in a virtual machine, so to save you the pain of watching that, we're going to go in here and doesn't matter what we'll do, just restart the system, and let me go pause the video while it goes into the boot process. Okay, so here we go, restarting the system, and hopefully here in a second I'm going to get the option to use the any key, because I'm hoping, there we go, we'll use the any key in order to do this. So it is loading, Windows is loading the files. Let me stretch out the system so that you can see the whole screen here. One of the disadvantages of using the virtual machine is it flips from one to the other, size to size. So here we go again, but we have too much this time. I'm going to pause and wait until I get somewhere. Okay, we are starting the Windows media, we hope. Here we go, Windows, and we'll go to Next. And when I get to Next, I'm going to come over here to Repair Your Computer. And when I get into Repair Your Computer, we'll go Next here, and then we'll open the command prompt. What I want to do is change Utilman to where I get a command prompt. So if I get a command prompt that's running at system permissions, I can then go ahead and reset the administrator's password. If they've done something really clever to you, like disable it, you can create new accounts there since you are system privileged, and then put them in the administrators group. So we'll go to C: and CD C: / this is where I usually get in trouble, / system 32, and do a dir of util man *.*, and we have utilman.exe. What I want to do now is to rename utilman.exe utilman.exe.bak, just to have something else to do that. Hopefully I spelled everything correctly there. And now, since I don't have a utilman.exe anymore, I want to copy cmd.exe to utilman.exe. And this will, when I call utilman.exe, will actually open a command prompt. So we've copied that one file. Now then, we can go over here. For those of you who haven't done virtual machines, this is because we don't have the system tools on it yet. When we actually run these things, they work better. But I'm going to restart it, and I will pause the video while the restart's going on until we get back to the Windows logon screen. Okay, we're back to the logon screen. It's restart. I'm going to go down here and click, and I have a command prompt. I should now be able to do something like net user administrator asterisk, and it asks me to reset the password. And let's call it, this is not the one that I use, we'll call it mypass2 with a capital M. And it's successfully changed the password. I now should be able to go here and type in mypass2, and voila, I'm into the system. This will also work on Windows 7. So if you've lost the administrator password, somebody's locked you out, and you have access to the install media, a Linux disk, or a WinPE disk, anything that you can get a command prompt and get into the file system, you can reset the password. With that, I would like to thank you for watching and hope this has been useful. Thank you.